You got an 8% rate of return for until the newborn is age 70, be approximately 200 grand.
$1,000 is getting every year.
Now imagine if they keep adding money to it until they're 18 years old.
Today's episode is brought to you by Security Financial Management.
Welcome back. Today is May 5th, the Best Advice Podcast, guys. I am here with Michael Allen, certified financial planner and managing partner for Security Financial Management, the man who started it from the beginning. You guys have been around for what now, 35 years, Mike? It's been hell of a run.
Well, Dave and Frank have been around a little longer than me. I'm more like 27, 28.
A lot of knowledge in there.
Yeah,
we hope so at that point.
I learn something new every day.
Yeah, but we got to talk about the Trump account, which is not really nationally known as well as it should be, right?
Right.
What exactly is it? Can you kind of give me a brief?
If the child is a minor, you can open up a Trump account for them. They can add $5,000 a year until they are 18 years old.
Oh, wow.
The sweet spot, though, is if they were born last year, and I think it's 2028, the federal government will put seed money of $1,000, and it grows tax deferred. It's kind of like an IRA. However, there's no tax deduction, so there's no income requirement, though.
Yeah. Where are they getting this $5,000 from?
$5,000 is coming from the parent, grandparent, or whoever for that individual. But the $1,000 is coming from organizations that have put seed money into this to help the future generation.
Interesting.
And those dollars will grow over the years.
Yeah, that's the real power. Say like I just had a kid and they threw $1,000.
Yeah, so you just leave it alone. You got an 8% rate of return until they're 18 years old.
Imagine two grand.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like imagine.
Double it up. Double it up. Times two.
Oh, baby.
400 grand.
Yeah, it's actually insane. It's really your whole business, right? It's like being smart about it. Right? Don't make it more difficult for yourself than.
Make money simple.
Yes.
Make good choices.
Yes.
And if we do that, well, they can't touch it, or they'll get penalized and taxed. This is a long-term vehicle for them for retirement.
If I had a kid tomorrow, I'm sold, and I would love to participate.
Right.
How do I do that?
There's a website, the federal government, that you sign up for it, just as long as the kid's under 18 years old and not turning 18 this year, as long as the kid has a social security number.
Wow, that's it.
Yeah.
I'm in.
They can't touch it
there. When I turn 18,
it is already your account because it's under your social, but you're in control of it. So that's why you want to be careful, and you want to educate your kids.
So you take control at 18.
Yeah.
Nice.
But you want to, the parents or the grandparents or the adult sibling, they want to coach the beneficiary of these accounts how to handle money.
Yeah.
Because if they take it out, or they'll get a 10% penalty and pay taxes.
That it teaches you. It's kind of like you're embedding these habits at
Right.
an early age.
Yeah, they're able to watch the accounts.
Yes. Where do you see the Trump account playing? What position is it playing on your team?
More for the kids, for the future. So it's not helping them on their taxes today. It is growing tax deferred, but it's a long-term vehicle. Tax plan and a financial plan is not just a today thing. Now, in 5 years, it's going to look totally different. That's why we update it and collaborate with our clients.
Beautiful. Per usual, if you want to talk to Mike Allen or any of our certified financial planners here at SFM, we're going to leave a link in the description for you. And remember, folks, the secret to wealth is not what you earn, it's what you keep. Happy days, everybody.
This podcast is for entertainment and educational purposes only and is not intended as personal financial advice. Before making any financial decision, please do your own research and consult a financial advisor as needed.